Hi, and a very warm welcome to another episode of Learn English with Smart podcast. I am so happy to have you with us today for another practical lesson. I'm Chloe.
And I'm James. It is great to be back behind the microphone with you, Chloe, and with all our amazing listeners from around the world. Today, we have a very special episode prepared because we are tackling the situation that makes many people nervous.
That is right, James. We are going to the bank. Whether you are traveling abroad or moving to a new country, dealing with finances in a second language can be quite intimidating.
Absolutely. You don't want to make a mistake with your money. So today we're going to role-play a complete scenario at a bank. I will play the customer who just moved to the city, and Chloe, you can be the bank teller.
Sounds like a plan. I will be the helpful bank employee. We will cover opening an account, asking about fees, and making a deposit. So, James, are you ready to step up to the counter?
I was born ready. Good morning. I would like to open a bank account, please.
Good morning. We would be happy to help you with that. What kind of account were you looking to open today? We offer standard checking accounts, savings accounts, and student accounts.
Well, I just moved here for work, so I need an account for my daily expenses and to receive my salary. I also want to save a little bit of money on the side. What do you recommend?
In that case, I would recommend our everyday checking account coupled with a high-yield savings account. The checking account comes with a debit card and unlimited transactions, which is perfect for your daily needs.
That sounds good. Could you tell me if there are any monthly maintenance fees for the checking account? I want to avoid unexpected charges.
Good question. There is a monthly fee of $12. However, we waive this fee if you maintain a minimum daily balance of $1,500 or if you set up a direct deposit of at least $500 a month.
I see. Since my employer will transfer my salary directly, that shouldn't be a problem. Now, regarding the savings account, what is the current interest rate?
Currently, our high-yield savings account offers an annual percentage yield of 4.5%. It is variable, so it can go up or down based on the market rates. Would you like to proceed with opening both?
Yes, let's do both. What documents do you need from me?
I will just need 2 forms of identification, usually a passport and a driver's license, along with proof of your current address. A utility bill or a rental agreement works perfectly.
Here's my passport and my rental agreement. While you process that, I have another question. Does this bank charge for using ATMs from other banks?
If you use one of our branded ATMs, it is completely free. If you use another bank's machine, we charge a $2.50 fee, and the other operator might charge you as well. However, we do reimburse up to $10 in ATM fees per month with this specific checking account.
That is a very useful feature. I also brought some cash with me today. I have $2,000 in cash and a check for $500. Can I deposit these into the new account right now?
Absolutely. Just fill out this deposit slip. You can list the cash here and list the check amount right below it. Do you want the total amount going into checking, or would you like to split it between checking and savings?
Actually, splitting it would be great. Let's put the check into the savings account and the cash into the checking account for my immediate spending.
Not a problem. Okay, I have set everything up. Here is your temporary debit card. Your permanent card with your name on it will arrive in the mail within 5 to 7 business days. You will also receive a PIN number and a separate letter for security reasons.
Perfect. One last thing. I often need to send money internationally to my family. What are your fees for wire transfers?
For international outgoing wire transfers, there is a flat fee of $45 per transaction. However, if you use our mobile banking app to send money, the fee is reduced to $30.
$30 isn't too bad. I will definitely download the app then. Thank you so much for your help. You made this very clear.
You are very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that covers everything. Thanks again.
And scene. That was a pretty smooth transaction, James.
It was, and honestly, listeners, these are the exact phrases you will need. Words like waive the fee, minimum balance, and wire transfer are super common.
Exactly. We hope this roleplay helps you feel more confident the next time you walk into a bank. Remember, you can always ask the teller to speak slowly if you don't understand something.
That is great advice, Chloe. Well, that is all the time we have for today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening to Learn English with Smart podcast. Don't forget to practice these phrases.
See you in the next episode, everyone. Have a great day.
Goodbye.